So when building a partnership, you want to find a company or organization that serves the same customer avatar. Recently, Casper and Plus developed a partnership for a CBD sleep aid. Now you can see their customer avatars shares various traits. Plus, if you don't know, is the #1 selling gummy, while Casper is the #1 rated mattress. So they're both pretty highly ranked in their specific categories. Casper clearly has higher revenue as their price point tends to be higher, and their distribution is not restricted. They sell online, they sell in stores, they can sell everywhere. So when you look for a partner, find someone who is comparable to your success. If you're a newly launched line, you may want to partner with an emerging brand. Let's take a look at 2 other co-branded products that have done well. So Mindy Siegel was an established chef, author, and owner of a restaurant when she partnered with Cresco, one of the largest MSOs. Absolute Extracts and Lagunitas were friends who decided to co-brand a product together. Now, Lagunitas is clearly a larger and more established company than Absolute Extracts, but there was a prior relationship that eased this partnership together. So as you start to understand your buyer or user avatar, you also want to create a list of companies that either serve the same audience or have some synergies with your company. This will help you as you ease into the right type of partnerships.